In this video, I'll walk you through the process of replacing the battery in your Audi RS7 key fob. We'll go through step by step. It'll just take you a couple of minutes, and all you'll need to get it done is a replacement battery, which is a CR2032. You can get these batteries online. They're pretty inexpensive. If you're interested, go check out that first link down in the description. That'll take you over to Amazon, where you can find that battery for a great price. Now, to get started, we just want to flip this thing over. Down here on the bottom, there's a button. Hold the button down, and while holding, pull out the internal key. Now, over here on the front, this part right there is actually a button. You can see how that goes down there. Hold that down, and then hold the device, and just pull on this tab, and this plastic part will come right out, and the battery is right there. You can just remove it with your fingers. Grab your new CR2032, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the text and the information on it goes face down, and just set that into place. Positive side down. Line it up, slide that back in, push it all the way down, and now you can just put your key back on there. And that's it. If you want to make sure that the light is coming on, that's a good sign. That means your battery has juice. You did everything correctly. So well done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel. We'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.